Hello Goldwing friends. I just started a rebuild on these 76 Carbs and I've run into some difficulties. I thought I would record the issues that I've found to see if perhaps this can be of any assistance to anybody else. So what I've got is parts that are not coming apart because of corrosion and sitting for a long time. For example, these clips that are holding the jets in aren't budging a bit on all four of the carburetors. In addition, the float needle valve is stuck and not moving on 3 of the 4. I have one here that is going up but not back down very well, but that one's loose. So I'm expecting that these pins to give me trouble as well on all of these. So all of this has been liberally soaked, and I'll soak them again now when I finish this video. I expect problems with the pucks, although as I took them apart, one of the pucks came out already, but I would expect to have problems there. And on the other side of the carburetors, I have a problem with the kidney-shaped plate seeming to be corroded or varnished in place, and I'll show you that. So here are the kidney plates, the kidney-shaped plates, and I have already soaked them liberally with PB Blaster, and I'm prying on that some. It's not popping loose. Try this one, get underneath it. Pry. Going very gently. So far, none of these are budging. Not only do I soak them, but I have already put a punch on them and very gently tapped on them to see if I can get the penetrating rust removing liquid down in underneath. So here's what I think. I wish when Randak did a video showing the rebuilding of Carbs, he would show a set more like those that many of us come across, that is, with things that don't budge. Pucks and kidney-shaped plates and floats. That would really be helpful. Let's see a video of how you deal with old, gummed up Carbs. So I used the heat gun, heated this a bit, put more PB Blaster on and tapped it, and as Randak would say, voila. In French that means there it is. So that worked. A combination of soaking with PB Blaster, heat from a heat gun, tapping with a drift, gently tapping, repeat, pry up gently, and they all came. To try and get these jets out of here again. They've been soaking for 24 hours in PB Blaster, and what I'm going to do now is take my punch and gently tap down on the tops of each of these, just a little bit, see if I can't get them wiggling. Tapped on all of those. I'll see if I can't just do a little bit of levering with this small screwdriver to get those to pull up. Gently does it. Nothing giving so far. Just be patient. Don't know if I want to try heat up there or not. So soaking and tapping is all I'll do for another 24 hours. Did get all the others off, but as you can see from looking at these now, I have other problems. So we have made some progress getting the floats out. However, you will see right there, I did what they cautioned us about. It snapped off that post. I was tapping the pin from there across, tap, 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 lubricate, come over to this side, tap it back out, tap, 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 lubricate, kept going back and forth, and boom, she snapped. This is loose now after soaking and wiggling, soaking and wiggling, soaking and wiggling. But not coming out. I got these out after a lot of work. These are, I am wiggling. Wiggling, wiggling. So I have made lots of progress getting the floats off and the float needles off, but I am having trouble still getting the needle, I would call it the needle seat, out. I have them loose, but it just seems that over time the rubber has swollen. So I'm having to use the vice grips, and I believe that I'm probably destroying these for future use. If I put the needle nose pliers inside and grabbed them, so I chewed up the inside of these. So I expect I'll have to get new seats, and hopefully those will be available to me. So I'm making progress.